This is our latest addition to our backyard. There used to be a cherry tree here, and we, a number of years ago, got rid of the cherry tree. I made this planter box. It's all white knotty cedar, and bottom is 4x4s, and the top is 5/4 decking. I cut the 4x4, I cut this corner out, and I mitered all the edges so that it wouldn't implode. And the piece I cut out from this 4x4, I used that. And this is all put together strongly with a lot of galvanized hardware. But also I have dominoes in between these boards to prevent the boards from being pushed out. Underneath the earth, I have a cable that stretches from front to back so that the center won't bow out. I think it's going to do a good job. It's already produced some nice lettuce.